and burning. As you can hear and you can see behind me over here, we have material coming off the belt. It's from that mile-long conveyor. If you're watching some of our other videos, we are actually out here commissioning it right now, getting it all running. So this will just be kind of a simple little video, just to kind of show you the end of it and how it all turned out. From we started over here, as you remember, doing this concrete work, all the conveyors, had the stacker in, and all the rest of the conveyors through the tunnels and all that. So we will show you from where they dump at the hopper, coming all the way down here. Just kind of a quick recap on the job. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna drag up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. Check it all out. Peace. All right, we'll just space everybody out. Watch it run, train it, whichever we got.
Everyone's already in their location. Everyone's got hammers in hand. We're ready for them to turn it on and we'll see how it runs.
Hey guys, y'all are late. We're already done for the day. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Be on time. All right, a quick tip, if you're training idlers like we're doing right now, think of it as a bicycle. The conveyor is going that way. You're riding a bicycle, that conveyor is coming over here and you want it to go that way. It's like riding a bicycle. You turn it like that. So you can take this idler right here, you want it to go that way and you hit it. That way, on the other side, this way. Same thing on the underneath side. We got this idler over here. It's going the other way. So it's turning like this. So it's gonna be the same thing like you're riding a bicycle. Whichever way you want it to go, you're gonna turn it like that. So you're gonna push that one forward, it's gonna go that way, you hit it back, it's gonna turn this way. So just think of a bicycle.